teaspoons of water into a bowl. We're going to open it up a little more to see what there's going to be. Now we're going to put 4 teaspoons of water. 2, 3, 4. Now we can mix it. So now we're gonna spread. So we used our hands to shape the dough into a ball. And we sprinkled flour on our hands if the dough was too sticky, but we didn't have a problem with that. So we're gonna be doing pretzel sticks. So we have to we're gonna split the ball of dough into 4 equal pieces. So try 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's make them into balls. Did you wash your hands? It's falling apart. So we're gonna add a little bit of water.
And
Fall on our hands, it might get sticky. So you have 1 ball. Now we have made our sticks. After making the sticks, we're going to place them onto our pan like we already did. And now we need a pastry brush or our fingers to spread some glaze that we just did on top of the dough. Put coarse salt on the pretzels to make it a little salty, but we're not going to put too much because then that would be way too salty, and we're not going to want to eat it. Time to bake. We're going to put a 12-minute timer on because that's how much these have to bake. Put our tray on our spatula and we're gonna put it in. So when we put it in, we're gonna and then we're gonna shove it in here. Get the door closed. The door closes here. So now we just have to wait for 12 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna put it in the cooling chamber to cool, and then it's time to eat. Nacho cheese. So we're gonna pour a packet of nacho cheese in. Then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon. So we're gonna do 2 of these. 1, 2. we're gonna take our pan pusher and push it out until it. Now we're gonna leave it in the cooling chamber for 5 minutes. It's all done. Now we're gonna dip it into our nacho cheese sauce and let's see how good it is. Oh my God, this is so good. We did a good job. High five. Bye, thanks for watching.